Hi guys, this is Go for Agriculture channel. Today we are going to discuss Arun Katyan chapter 7D. Today we are going to discuss cotton and jute. So this is classification of crops. So the questions for cotton are: what are the types of cotton? Gossypium arboreum, Gossypium herbaceum, Gossypium hirsutum, Gossypium barbadense. So what is Gossypium arboreum? So Gossypium arboreum is old world cotton, desi cotton we can say. So it is short fiber and length of fiber is 1.25 to 2.1. So in India it have 29 percentage. It is also called Bengal straight. So next one, Gossypium herbaceum. So in Gossypium herbaceum the fiber length is 1.25 to 2.3. And next one, Gossypium hirsutum. Gossypium hirsutum is also called American cotton. So this fiber is 1.8 to 3.1 centimeter and it covers 50% area of cotton in India. Next one, Gossypium barbadense. It is called sea slant cotton and its fiber length is 3.6 to 5 centimeter. Next question, origin of cotton is India. So area of cotton that is highest in which state? It is Maharashtra according to 2020. So next one, production of cotton highest in which state? So the answer for this question is Punjab. So area is more in Maharashtra but the production is more in Punjab. So next question, what are the two inflorescence in cotton? First is cymose, next is racemose. Cymose means when the main axis stops growing and other branch exceed is called cymose, and racemose is opposite to that. Main axis continues growing but the branches does not exist. So here cymose means main axis stops growing but in racemose main axis continues. But in cymose branches exceed but here racemose branches does not exceed. That is the main difference. Next question, what is topping in cotton? Topping means removal of terminal growing point at a height of 1.2 meter. So topping is to encourage symbodial branching and ball development. That is the main advantages of topping. So next question, one bale of cotton is 170 kg. So bale means it is a measurement of fiber we can say. So one bale of cotton is 170 kg. So next question, first commercial hybrid of cotton in the world is hybrid 4 and it is developed by C.T. Patel in 1970. Next question, what is called thirak in cotton? Bad opening of balls, that is called thirak. This is due to decrease in nitrogen content. Next one, fiber quality is measured by staple length and fiber fineness. And next one, what is ginning in cotton? So ginning is generally it is a fiber we can say that is obtained raw fiber from cotton. Ginning percentage is equal to weight of lint by weight of seed cotton taken for ginning into 100. Next one, maturity of fiber is judged by arealometer. So next we are going to discuss jute. What are the two type of cultivated varieties of jute? First one, Concorus capsularis, Concorus olitorius. What is Concorus capsularis? It is a hardy plant, tolerant waterlogging, and it is most proper. It covers 70% of area. It is also called white jute. And Concorus olitorius, well drained highlands it is cultivated, and it is yellow to red, and it produce high yield. Next question, where is Jute Agriculture Research Institute? Barakpur. Now next question is, ideal stage of harvesting in jute is 135 to 140 days. This stage is called pod formation stage. Next question, a microbial process in which bast fiber get loosened for easy separation from woody stock is called retting. So retting means it is a microbial process in which the bast fiber is loosened for easy separation from the woody stock. So at retting it requires 34 degrees Celsius and completes within 10 to 15 days. This retting is also easily done using daincha or sun hemp. Next question, jute is also known as blast fiber. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more and more video, then subscribe our channel Go for Agriculture. If you want PPT, then download from our Telegram channel, that is Go for Agriculture.